Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Favor Beauty World and I've come again with another interesting video. So if today's your first time of coming across my channel, you're welcome to Favor Beauty World channel where I make videos about beauty, fashion, hairstyle transformation. Let me just say it's all about beauty and fashion in this particular channel. So guys, in this particular video you'll be seeing so many ways, or should I say so many tutorials on how you can install your frontal and look beautiful. We all know that frontal hairstyle is actually one of the trending hairstyle for classy and beautiful ladies right now. Be it the ones on wigs, be it the ones on braided wigs, because even right now they also install frontal braided wigs. So it's one of the beautiful hairstyle and that'll make you to look classy, that'll make you to look rich and also make you to stand out. That is what you'll be seeing in this particular video. And again, if I'm to say, I'll tell you that if you want to install your frontal, look for a talented hairstylist, like a hairstylist that know how to install frontal very well so that you'll be able to enjoy it. This particular one you're seeing on the screen, look at the way the hairstylist was able to, melt the lace. The lace was matching with her skin and everything was so perfect. If you want your own to come out like this, make sure you look for a talented hairstylist, not just a hairstylist, but an experienced one that you have actually seen a frontal that he or she installed on someone. Meet the person and you will enjoy your frontal installation. Please guys, if today is your first time of coming across the channel, please hit on the subscribe button, like this video, share, and also leave a comment for us. Please, if you're here to subscribe, please make sure you do, because all these two things I'm mentioning here is actually free. Subscription, liking, and sharing the video, they are actually free. To my old subscribers, thank you guys so much. I actually appreciate you guys love and support. Please do not just watch only the video, give this video a thumbs up and share it out, and God will bless you so much. Please let us know your experience with frontal installation. Like, have you installed frontal before? Do you know how to install it by yourself? Because some people actually know how to install the frontal by themselves. Let us know your experience with frontal installation. For me, I actually love frontal wigs because that will make you to look classy and it will make you to stand out. They are so beautiful and perfect. So guys, thanks for watching this particular video and please see you in my next video. Bye.